In exports and imports, in 2020, the United States was the world's second largest exporter, United States dollar 64 trillion, and the largest importer, United States dollars 56 trillion. Mexico was the 10th largest exporter and importer. Canada was the 12th largest exporter and importer. Brazil was the 24th largest exporter and the 28th largest importer. Chile was the 45th largest exporter and the 47th largest importer. Argentina was the 46th largest exporter and the 52nd largest importer. Colombia was the 54th largest exporter and the 51st largest importer. Among others, the agriculture of the continent is very strong and varied. Countries such as United States, Brazil, Canada, Mexico and Argentina are among the largest agricultural producers on the planet. In 2019, the continent dominated the world production of soy, almost 90% of the world total, with Brazil, the United States, Argentina, Paraguay, Canada and Bolivia among the 10 largest on the planet. Sugarcane, about 55% of the world total, with Brazil, Mexico, the United States, and Guatemala among the 10 largest on the planet. Coffee, about 55% of the world total, with Brazil, Colombia, Honduras, Peru and Guatemala among the 10 largest on the planet. And maize, about 48% of the world total, with the United States, Brazil, Argentina and Mexico among the 10 largest on the planet. The continent also produces almost 40% of world's orange, with Brazil, the US and Mexico among the top 10 producers. About 37% of world's pineapple, with Costa Rica, Brazil, Mexico and Colombia among the 10 largest producers. About 35% of world's lemon, with Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, and the United States among the 10 largest producers. And about 30% of world's cotton, with the US, Brazil, Mexico and Argentina among the top 10 producers. Among several other products, in livestock, America also has giant productions. In 2018, the continent produced around 45% of the world's beef, with the US, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico and Canada among the world's 10 largest producers. About 36% of the world's chicken meat, with the US, Brazil and Mexico among the world's 10 largest producers. And about 28% of the world's cow's milk, with the US and Brazil among the 10 largest producers in the world. Among other products, in industrial terms, the World Bank lists the top producing countries each year, based on the total value of production. According to the 2019 list, the United States has the second most valuable industry in the world. United States dollars 3 trillion. Mexico has the 12th most valuable industry in the world. 217 United States dollars 8 billion. Brazil has the 13th most valuable industry in the world. 173 United States dollars 6 billion. Canada has the 15th most valuable industry in the world. 151 United States dollars 7 billion. Venezuela the 30th largest. 58 United States dollars 2 billion. But depends on the oil to obtain this amount. Argentina was the 31st largest. 57 United States dollars 7 billion. Colombia the 46th largest. 35 United States dollars 4 billion. Peru the 50th largest. $28 7 billion. And Chile the 51st largest. 28 United States dollars 3 billion. Among others. In the production of oil, the continent had 8 of the 30 largest world producers in 2020. United States. First. Canada. Fourth. Brazil. 8th. Mexico. 14th. Colombia. 20th. Venezuela. 26th. Ecuador. 27th. And Argentina. 28th. In the production of natural gas, the continent had 8 of the 32 largest world producers in 2015. United States. 1st. Canada. 5th. Argentina. 18th. Trinidad and Tobago. 20th. Mexico. 21st. Venezuela. 28th. Bolivia. 31st. And Brazil. 32nd. In the production of coal, the continent had 5 of the 30 largest world producers in 2018. United States. 3rd. Colombia. 12th. Canada. 13th. Mexico. 24th. And Brazil. 27th. In the production of vehicles, the continent had 5 of the 30 largest world producers in 2019. United States. 2nd. Mexico. 7th. Brazil. 9th. Canada. 12th. And Argentina. 28th. In the production of steel, the continent had 5 of the 31 largest world producers in 2019. United States. 4th. Brazil. 9th. Mexico. 15th. Canada. 18th. And Argentina. 31st. In mining, the continent has large productions of gold, mainly in the United States, Canada, Peru, Mexico, Brazil and Argentina. Silver, mainly in Mexico, Peru, Chile, Bolivia, Argentina and the USA. Copper, mainly in Chile, Peru, USA, Mexico and Brazil. Platinum, Canada and US. Iron ore, Brazil, Canada, USA, Peru and Chile. Zinc, Peru, USA, Mexico, Bolivia, Canada and Brazil. Molybdenum, Chile, Peru, Mexico, Canada, USA. Lithium, Chile, Argentina, Brazil and Canada. Lead, Peru, USA, Mexico and Bolivia. Bauxite, Brazil, Jamaica, Canada, and USA. Tin, Peru, Bolivia and Brazil. Manganese, Brazil and Mexico. Antimony, Bolivia, Mexico, Guatemala, Canada and Ecuador. Nickel, Canada, Brazil, Dominican Republic, Cuba and USA. Niobium, Brazil and Canada. Rhenium, Chile and USA. And iodine, Chile, among others. Quote, Dominica, Panama and the Dominican Republic have the fastest growing economy in the Americas according to the International Monetary Fund, IMF. 16. 5 to 7 countries in the southern part of the Americas had weakening economies in decline, compared to only 3 countries in the northern part of the Americas. Haiti has the lowest GDP per capita in the Americas, although its economy was growing slightly as of 2016.